Hello, let's learn how to use the cross function from dplyr. Here we are using an example from R for Data Science, second edition by Hadley Wickham. Here we are taking the weather data which contains both temperature and pressure. We are using the summarize function. We're calculating mean and maximum value. But then we are asked to write a function that will summarize and give us these values or quantities. So we name our function summarize underscore weather. We supply the data at the vars. We use the cross. We call the vars using the curly braces. And then we call the method, the list method. We use the anonymous function. And we calculate these values by also removing or excluding NAs. And then we call the dot names so that the resulting columns are named using the function first underscore call column. We round these numbers by calling the cross function within the mutate function and use the word is numeric, and we round those results to 2 decimal places. Now let's run our function and let's test our function. Yep, and these are the values that we wanted to calculate. So again, we first calculate to make sure the code is correct, and then we convert that code into a function, and then now we test our function. Thank you.